Alright guys, here we go. Now we're in Cologne, Germany. There probably won't be much for me to vlog here. From what I've been hearing from everybody, there's not a whole lot to see, so I'm going to be heading out to their Duomo shortly to capture that as much as I can, and maybe the surrounding areas. I'll see what's going on out there. I've been out earlier. I lost my power converter on the train yesterday. I left it by accident, so I had to go and find an electronics store this morning and go get a new one of those so that I can charge my phone and my computer. I got 2 videos uploading right now, as you can see. So they will be up shortly. I may blend my Cologne video along with my Zurich video because I didn't vlog much in Zurich either. I was only in both places 2 days. The weather was not that great yesterday when I got into Cologne, so I didn't go out. It was pouring rain. So I'm gonna capture as much as I can today for you guys, and I'll probably blend those 2 videos together because separately I don't think it'll be much to split them up into 2 videos. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. I'm gonna head out shortly, waiting on those 2 videos to upload. I'm uploading 2 videos from Milan, so look out for those. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, just got down to the Cologne Cathedral. Cathedral, guys, unfortunately it's under construction, so we can't see it in all its glory, but you get the drift. Still gorgeous, breathtaking Gothic architecture. And once again, it looks like it's about to rain on me, so I'm gonna have to get out of here. Bad weather in Cologne since I've been here. It's been awful. It's cold, but it's worth it. Alright guys, doing what I do best. Walking aimlessly. No clue where I'm going. We'll see where I end up. As always, it's normally somewhere good. Wow, I've never heard church bells like that. Cool building. I'm not sure what it is exactly. It's starting to look cool. It's neat. It's got a flying car on the roof. car with wings. Very interesting. Again, I have no clue where I am. I'm just turned off some side street from the main drag Bahnhofstrasse. So I don't know where I'm at, but we'll see. Don't quote me, but I think I'm in the old town. Just judging by the buildings, because of where I'm staying, the architecture is fairly newer. I don't know what this is. Parking garage. Just ran into this little park like in the middle of the city. I'm not sure what it's called. It's kind of cool. Cool place to relax and kick back. I guess take a load off. Heading for kebab. I love kebab, so we're gonna try this place out. I passed it earlier. It looked really good, really fresh, and it was really crowded, which is always a good sign that the food is good. So check it out. After waiting in line for what felt like an eternity, I finally got my kebab. Let's make it disappear. Walking through the streets of Cologne, aimlessly again, on my way to a bar. You wouldn't believe that it's 10 o'clock at night. As bright as it is, it's 10 p.m. at night.